Hello everyone, myself Ravi Kumar. Now let us start another new program, that is program number J11, separation of positive and negative numbers. As we done in J10, separation of odd and even number. In this program we have to separate that positive and negative numbers by writing simple program. So in this program, so take we should take 10 numbers, and you can take any like 10, 15, 20 numbers. I am taking in this program 10 numbers in data segment, and we have to separate that positive, which are positive number and which are negative number. I have to separate by rating program. So what is that? Let us see. So for separation of positive and negative number, we have to consider MSB. So again, in previous, that is previous program, that is odd and even separation, we considered the LSB there. So here, positive and negative number, we have to consider MSB, that is most significant bit in a binary number. So if MSB of a given binary number representation is 0, then it is a positive number. So yeah, what it means, if the MSB of a given binary number representation, the decimal number which is represented in binary and its MSB is 0, means it is positive number. If MSB of a given number representation is 1, then it is negative number, means if at all, if you take a decimal number, if you write in binary, and if it is MSB is 1, then it is a negative number. So for example, I will give two example. For one is for negative and one is for positive. So I will take decimal 8fh. So I will write in binary, so it will be 10001111. So here you can see here MSB is 1. So therefore, if MSB 1, as we already see in this, so if MSB is 1, so it is negative number. So I will, for positive, I will take example 7fh. In binary it will be 0 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 1. So here you can clearly see that MSB is 0. So as I already discussed, that MSB is 0 means, so it is positive number. So one more thing is, a main instruction, that is rotate left instruction, is used in this program. In a previous program we use rotate right instruction. So in this program we should use rotate left once, so that we can get it is positive or negative number. So then onwards we can store the result, which is positive, which is negative. So in that manner. So let us start, run the program in DOSBox. Now type edit space j11.asm, click on enter. I have already written this program. Just I will go through the explanation, brief explanation, how all the data and all the complete program works, and how it is actually works. I will explain line by line. Okay. First is the data segment. As you, in all the programs we will be having data segment. Data segment org0h, give a number. I have taken 10 numbers here. So within from these 10 numbers, I should separate which are positive numbers and which are negative numbers. So that is my main intention of this program. So org10h pos n slash num db question mark. So it is what is that expected result, which I want to get after writing the program. So org20h, in second row I can, in second row I should get that negative number, and data ends here. And start with the code segment. These are all fixed line. Assume this and this main line, main colon, and this move x comma data, ds comma x. These are all fixed line. So here move cl comma 10, because 10 data I am having. So hope you can understand. You have understood. Then LEASI, so SI which is pointed by given number. So the given number, 10 data bytes are there. It will point to this given number. So DI will point positive number and BX will point negative number. These are all load effective addresses, that is initializing the pointers. So now forgot about go back for a minute. So first move AL comma bracket SI. What it means? So one data which is moved to AL register. So after that, what we have to do? mainly we have to use in this program rotate left instruction. So rotate left instruction means the data will be in AL, so therefore rotate AL once. So rotate AL once. After that, so if at all there is no carry generated, means if at all jump no carry go neg. So I have to write here go pause, go E1. So go E1, go even. If at all JNC go when, jump if no carry go when. In MSB there is no carry means it is 0. 0 means it is even. So therefore where I have to find here go even. So I have to come here directly. So if go even means, go even is which pointer is pointed by even, that is even number, that is neg number, not even. It is go even, go neg, go pause. It is go pause. Yes, it is go pause. Here I have to write go pause. So it is go pause, go pos. So if at all not carry is there means it will be positive number. So therefore go, it will come to this label, that is go pause label. So go pause, go pause. So pause is pointed by di. I think di it is. Yes, it is di. Positive number is pointed by di. So therefore si comma al, al comma si, then al comma di it is. So it is di. So it is di. So this is square bracket di, square bracket di. I have to write. Okay, this is all over. Okay, then if at all there is no carry means, if at all there is a carry, so there is a carry means it will be definitely it is negative number. So therefore move al comma si, then the negative is pointed by I think bx. So therefore I have to uh, move to the bx, so that result will be stored in that number. So what is that? Bx. So right, then increment si, then increment bx here, bx, then increment si, the here increment di. So again this will process will go on continuing till count becomes 0. After count becoming 0, it will end over the program, jump over. So we should come here directly, move h comma force h in 21h coordinates and nmin. So let us start execute, that is let us get the result by following simple step. Type masm j11 dot asm semicolon semicolon, click on enter. I am getting 1 severe error, that is symbol not defined in 32 row. So I have to get back, edit space j11 dot asm. So 32, okay, where is 32? Here this is 16, so 18, 32 is here. I think here 32. Yes, here I have to write di inside. So it is should be bracket. It is not like that. So now it is okay, I think. Yes, it is okay. Then I will again save it. Will type again masm. I corrected the error. You can refer it. If I do, not at all told any in any program that how to correct error. In this program I corrected one error. You can refer it. So click on enter. 0 warning errors and 0 severe errors. Then link j11 dot obj semicolon. Click on enter. Next debug step, debug space j11 dot exe. Click on enter. So you should get a slash, after that type u. So you have to get the h comma 4 line. I am not getting. So again type u. So now I am getting h comma 4 line. G is equal to 0 space 30 it is. So click on enter. So result will be in memory, so therefore I have to type d space ds colon 0, click on enter. You can see here 6f, 7f, 8f, 9, 8, 10, 9, 9f, af, 9f, af, bf, cf, df, ef, ff is given. So in this the positive numbers are 6, 7, 6, 7. So negative numbers are 8, 9, 10. So onwards these are all negative numbers. So hope you understand. Thank you.